Hello, this is Mike Anderson, and welcome to the Essential Mortgage Educational Video Series. You have clicked on the link for the USDA 100% RD financing. This is really the only 100% financing available out there today to consumers who are not veterans of the armed services. Now, the restrictions for this program are you must buy a property that is in a rural area. For example, in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, you cannot purchase a home in East Baton Rouge. There is a small portion of East Baton Rouge that is eligible, but please check with your real estate professional, with any real estate agent in the Ladder Bloom family of companies, and they can direct you in which areas are eligible. Let me go over some of the fine little details of this program. First of all, there are income restrictions with USDA RD, which is from the U.S. Department of Agriculture, and it's a guaranteed housing program. So the income restrictions are as follows. For a family of 1 to 4, and by the way, this is all household members who live in the household. So for an example, if you have a couple, a married couple that live in the home together and also living in the property with them is a grandparent, for example, and you claim them on your tax returns, you're going to have to count their income. So keep that in mind. Now, the income restrictions are a family of 1 to 4 is $73,600 a year. You can make no more than that per year. For a family of 5 to 8, it's $97,150 a year. Also, they have other restrictions with RD. Like I said earlier in this video, it must be in a rural area. You can check on their website below here for eligibility of properties. Just plug in the property address and it will tell you. They also have very strict underwriting guidelines as far as debt to income ratios, which cannot exceed 42%. However, RD does have an automated underwriting system known as GUS, G-U-S. You can go up as high as 53% with strong compensating factors, which include extremely high credit scores and good cash reserve requirements. The minimum credit score on an RD is 620. If you're below 620, there are some sources, but you will, I'm going to caution you, will pay a higher interest rate for that. RD is owner occupied only. You cannot have any unpaid federal debts, tax liens, defaulted student loans, etc. So that's really very important. So like I said earlier, talk to anyone at C.J. Brown or at the Ladder Bloom family of companies, Knowles Fry, anyone in our family of companies for more details. And I do want to make a disclaimer. At the shooting of this video, these were the most latest up-to-date guidelines that are available, and they are subject to change without notice, and we will update the videos as things change. So it's a spectacular program, 100% financing, no down payment, and the seller can pay your closing cost and your prepaids. And prepaids, of course, are your insurance and taxes and your escrows. So you can basically get into a home in a rural area with no down payment and no money out of your pocket. And after all, nationally, the biggest barrier to home ownership is the down payment. So check it out. Talk to anyone at Essential Mortgage, any one of our experienced loan officers. We'll be happy to get you pre-approved and go from there, and happy house hunting. Thank you for watching, and we appreciate it. Thank you.